We all know that humans are born with almost the same kind of brain. Every brain has around 100 billion neurons. So the question is, why are some people more focused, more creative, while others keep procrastinating all the time? Why is there such a big difference? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. If you've been following my channel, you already know that the prefrontal cortex is the most developed part of your brain. This part is responsible for planning for the future, staying focused for a long time, calculating risks. In simple words, when you try to become more productive, you're actually training your prefrontal cortex. So let's understand 5 main things your prefrontal cortex does and how you can improve each one. Number 1, goal-directed behavior. There is a specific part of the prefrontal cortex called the frontopolar area. Its job is to plan ahead and predict how you will execute that plan. The key word here is prediction. The better you can predict your own behavior, the stronger your prefrontal cortex becomes. A simple practice: in your to-do list, add a time estimate next to every task. Before starting, guess how long the task will take. This small habit makes your brain sharper. Number 2, pattern recognition. The prefrontal cortex helps you analyze situations, break them into smaller parts, and understand what's really going on. To improve this skill, you can play games like jigsaw puzzles, Rubik's Cube, Sudoku, crossword puzzles. Studies show that people who regularly solve Sudoku or crosswords have about 17% better brain performance compared to an average person. Number 3, language. There is an area in the prefrontal cortex called Broca's area. It decides which words you use and how you speak. The best way to strengthen this area is speaking, writing, expressing your thoughts clearly. When you explain complex ideas or teach others, your language area and prefrontal cortex both become stronger. Number 4, inhibition, the power to say no. One of the most important jobs of the prefrontal cortex is inhibition, which means the ability to say no. Your limbic system, the older part of the brain, always runs after pleasure or tries to escape danger. It constantly distracts you from your goals. Your prefrontal cortex stays in control only when it learns to say no. The good news is, saying no is also a skill. The more you practice it, the easier it becomes. Start by saying no to yourself sometimes, and you'll feel more control over your actions. Number 5, movement. The prefrontal cortex has 2 movement-related areas. One that controls eye movement, another that controls body movement. Training both helps strengthen your focus. For eye movement, try a simple exercise called the candle test. Light a candle and stare at the flame without moving your eyes. The longer you can hold your gaze, the stronger your attention networks become. In yoga, this is called Trataka meditation. For body movement, any kind of physical exercise helps. Movement is also linked with dopamine, the motivation chemical. Whenever you feel low on motivation, stand up, walk for 1 minute, swing your arms, then sit back down. You'll notice your motivation feels better than before. Try it and tell me in the comments if it works for you. So these were the 5 ways to train your prefrontal cortex. I hope this video was useful for you. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.